You are for?
For the petitioner, your lordship.
To file a?
Reply respondent 5 and 7.
Okay.
3 weeks time, your lordship.
You are seeking for 3 weeks time. Who is for the
I'm for the Union of Indians.
union and 3 weeks time for filing?
Reply, your lordship.
Hmm?
Reply.
Okay, reply. Okay. Item number 6.
6 and 7.
7. Miss. Well, okay. Thank you. Okay, Planet Council for the petitioner, Miss
Tickets or no?
prays for 3 weeks time to file reply to the affidavit filed by
Respondent 5 to 7.
5 to 7. Stop. And then respondent has no objection. Okay. Planet Council for you are for respondent number?
State.
Hmm?
I'm for the state.
State. Okay. Planet advocate. Learned advocate. State council for the respondent number
1 to
1
4.
to 4.
1 to 4 has no objection. The prayer is allowed. List the matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
May I please, your lordship? May I
Yes.
be pleased to mention item number 12?
12.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes.
Your lordship, let the matter come up after 2 weeks, your lordship.
You are for?
For this, contemner, your lordship. Contemner respondent.
Contender. And who is for the petitioner?
Petitioner, your lordship, be there absent.
Okay. Contender, only sole contender.
No, your lordship, all the contemner.
Okay, all the contender. Miss
Livika, your lordship.
Libika appearing on behalf of the on behalf of the alleged contender prays for
2 weeks, your lordship.
2 weeks time. Have you filed affidavit?
No, your lordship, we will, half of the order has been complied, except that termination order has not been issued. There's a
Okay.
direction for
Next time, okay.
termination.
None appears on behalf of the petitioner. Stop. The prayer granted. List the matter after 2 weeks.
Much obliged, your lordship.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, lordship.
Item 16.
Lordship. Should kindly grant 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition.
Okay, who is for the petitioner?
That's all.
Okay, no objection. Okay.
Much obliged.
Land Council for the respondent number
1 and 2, lordship.
who prays for 2 weeks more time to file affidavit in opposition. Stop. Land Council for the petitioner is also present and she has no objection. Petitioner name, huh? Accordingly, the prayer for adjournment is prayer for time is granted. List the matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Yeah, please, Lordship. Lordship,
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 13. Here I'm appearing for respondent number 1. I'm yet to file my affidavit in opposition.
You're for the petitioner.
Petitioner.
Okay. Land Council for the petitioner, Mr. So-and-so is present. Land Council for the respondent number 1, Miss. Petitioner also name, right? The name, huh? Miss
P. Mombin is
prays for how much?
2 weeks
2 weeks time to file affidavit.
affidavit in opposition.
Affidavit in opposition. Since the Land Council for the petitioner has no objection to the prayer made by the Land Council for the respondent, the prayer is allowed. List the matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Obligement.
Much obliged.
May I please, my lord?
Yes, please.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15.
Yes,
Lordship, in this matter, your lordship, the Department of PNR as well as the Department of Duda has been implemented as the party respondent. And I have received the paribus comment from the department. However, they have sent a conflicting views. So, your lordship, if 3 weeks can kindly be granted to me so that I can get the necessary clarification from the concerned department, your lordship.
okay.
My lord, this is for regularization of the petitioner's service. His service will be expired on 30th November 2023, this month, end of this month. Therefore, 3 weeks will be too long. Let it be 2 weeks. Instructions will come from Kohima only.
Okay.
That's a reasonable period, Lord.
Third, learned advocate, Mr. So-and-so, senior, senior advocate, assisted by
Aliba
Aliba.
Ozakam.
Also, Mr.
And Angami, your lordship.
Enangami. You're
For the state respondent, your lordship.
for this. Your government advocate,
Senior government advocate. your lordship.
okay, then senior government advocate. Then senior government advocate prays for 2 weeks' time
Lordship.
to obtain necessary instruction from the concerned department of.
No, from the concerned department
Okay,
because they are
from the-
expressing
from-
conflicting
From the
views.
concerned department.
Lordship, for obtaining instructions and filing counter affidavit.
You file counter affidavit thereafter.
Yes, your lordship. Yes, once I get the clarification, your lordship, I'll file my counter affidavit to that effect.
2 weeks' time for
Filing
obtaining
counter-
instruction as well as for filing counter affidavit.
Lordship, lordship.
Okay. List the matter after 2 weeks. In the meantime, learned government advocate, the respondent shall file counter affidavit.
Lordship.
Okay.
Much obliged.
Obliged, my lord. Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 9 and 10. Lordship, here I am actually mentioned on behalf of additional AG V. Shokre. I am told that your lordship, she is appearing for all the respondents and the matter is placed before the cabinet for necessary approval, your lordship.
Okay. So who is for the petitioner?
Lordship,
Okay. Yes.
Lordship, they are placing on the main for rationalizing committee since 16/5/2020. Lordship. Then till now, no action has been taken.
no, your lordship, I have been informed that it has been placed before the cabinet. So cabinet approval is awaited, your lordship.
Learned advocate, Mr. And government, say senior government advocate, huh? Appearing on behalf of Mr.
Ms. V. Shokre,
or Ms. Isokre,
additional AG.
additional AG. Land counsel for the respondent. She is land counsel for the respondent.
Yes, yes.
Lordship, for all the respondents, your lordship.
Submits that the department is
The matter is being
matter,
placed
the matter has been, the matter in connection, the matter has been placed before the
cabinet.
cabinet. And it is,
A cabinet approval is awaited, your lordship.
and the cabinet approval is still awaited, hence pray for. Hence, prays for
3 weeks time, your
3
lordship.
weeks' time. To which the land counsel for the petitioner has. Sorry, 3 weeks' time, stop. The land counsel for the petitioner has no objection to the prayer made by the land counsel on behalf of the respondent. Stop. The prayer is granted. List the matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged.
Happy the lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, admission for them.
Item number 5.
Lordship, this Honorable High Court, by order dated 12/6/2023, Lordship, permitted the appellant to file additional documents incorporating the additional affidavit, Lordship, incorporating the relevant documents. So I filed this affidavit today morning and I'll serve the copy to the parties right now, Lordship.
Okay. You are for petition.
I'm for the appellant. Appellant.
Sorry. Learned counsel for the appellant, Mr.
V Devnath,
V. Devnath
Lordship.
submits that he has filed additional affidavit today.
Yes.
Okay.
Additional affidavit as well as affidavit pertaining to service of notice upon respondent number 3. that
Okay,
is the
additional
owner of the
affidavit as well as an affidavit pertaining to service of notice upon the respondent.
vehicle.
Today,
Now, yes,
today
respondent
itself.
number 3.
Upon the respondent number 3, today itself. And he has also served a copy to the,
No, I'm yet to serve.
Oh, okay.
I'll serve it.
and he. Okay, stop. Chill. And the copy is yet to be served upon the respondent. Stop. And praise for?
Lordship,
So it will
come
be,
in the usual course, Lordship.
okay.
Lordship, in this case,
Hmm.
I'm for the respondent, opposite party number 1 and 2, you said claimants in the tribunal. Lordship, I've prayed before this call for giving the issue of preliminary objection which I've raised. So that may be kept open.
Next time,
Yes.
okay.
To
Learned
that
counsel,
effect, I'll be filing a small affidavit.
learned counsel, learned advocate, Mr. Apok,
Apok, yes.
Apok. Wangener,
That's good
uh,
pronunciation.
sorry, Wangener for respondent number 1 and 2. And you,
Lordship, I'm for respondent number 3,
and
owner of the
Mr.
vehicle.
Mr.
Kajishi, Lordship.
Okay, for the respondent number
3, Lordship,
3
owner of the vehicle.
are also present, staff. Since, oh, sorry, just a minute. List, as prayed for by the parties, list a matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship.
Oh, in the usual course,
In the usual course, Lordship.
in the usual course, stop. In the meantime, the land counsel for the appellant shall serve a copy of the miscellaneous application file today to the land counsel for the respondent during the course of the days. Okay,
Lordship, our option may also be kept open, Lordship. We have the right to.
that automatically will be taken up next time.
Yes.
Hmm.
In that case.
Hmm.
to change
Okay.
the affidavits.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14, Lordship. Lordship, kindly grant me 2 weeks time to file my affidavit in position.
you are for petitioner.
Yes, your lordship.
Lordship, I'm for
Uh,
respondent number 3 and 4.
Okay. Yeah, and then who is for 1 and 2? Land counsel for the petitioner, Miss so-and-so. And Mr. So-and-so appearing for the respondent number 2 and 3.
Lordship, I'll be appearing for respondent number 1.
Okay. And also Mr. His name, Land Senior Government Advocate appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1. The Land Council for the respondent number 2 and 3 prays for 2 weeks time.
Lordship, 3 and 4, Lordship.
Sorry, 3 and 4. Prays for
3 weeks time, Lordship,
3 weeks time for
to file my affidavit in opposition, Lordship.
filing affidavit in opposition. To which the Land Council for the petitioner has no objection. Stop. Is prayed for by the Land Council for the respondent number 3 and 4. List this matter after 3 weeks. Stop. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Much
Obliged,
obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 11.
Eleven.
Your lordship here, further instructions are awaited from the petitioner to withdraw the petition if the matter may come up after 3 weeks.
You want to withdraw?
Yes, your lordship.
Land Council for the petitioner, Miss submits that there is an instruction to from the instruction
Yes, from the petitioner.
from the petitioner to withdraw the criminal petition.
Yes, your lordship. Time may be given 3 weeks.
However, she 3 weeks. 2 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks time to obtain proper instruction with regards to the withdrawal of the criminal petition. Stop. Prayer granted. List the matter after 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19. I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner. Lordship, kindly refix this letter on 16 of this month.
As prayed for by the land council for the petitioner, Miss.
P. Mombini Isung on behalf of Anshuman Sharma.
Okay. On the prayer of the land council, Miss so-and-so, appearing on behalf of the land council for the petitioner, Miss Anshuman Sharma, list this matter
16 of
on
this month.
16. Have you taken consent from the other side for fixing the matter?
Lordship, this matter is in order and notice has been served.
Okay. Okay, the prayer is allowed. List the matter on 16. For order. Okay.
Bless my Lord.
May it please your lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention for item number 20.
yes.
Lordship, let this matter come after 2 weeks.
Okay, who's for the other side?
Notice, return of notice is awaited.
Okay, land council for the
Petitioner.
petitioner, revision petitioner, submits that the return of the service is still awaited and pray for 2 weeks' time. List the matter after 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Of- Yes,
For motion, item number 1.
Let me show up.
yes,
Lordship, this is a transfer application filed under section 24 of the procedure code. Praying for transfer of first appeal number 1 of 2017. Sanjam Village Council and another versus Union of India and 4 others pending in the court of Principal District and Session Judge Dimapur. To the court of District Judge Kohima.
to Kohima.
Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, in annexure, in page 13, the court has refused to take up this matter because he was a trial judge.
So,
In page 13, annexure C.
the present district judge, what is the district you said?
Principal District and Session Judge Dimapur.
For Dimapur, refused to take up the matter.
Yes. Even in annexure A, page 11, Lordship,
Just a minute. Okay. So the present principal district and session judge, Dimapur, has passed a impugn order. At present, he is being posted there.
yes,
What is in annexure 1A?
annexure A, Lordship,
What is that?
page 11, Lordship.
Hmm.
This court
And
refused to take up this case in
Yes.
2019. Lordship.
it is that is court can take up the matter. 2019. But the 19, who has passed? Is there another judge?
He was one of the counsel for the other party.
Okay, he was one of the council in the 2019. And in the 2021, he passed the impugn order. And in the 2023, the same person.
Lordship.
Okay. Our land counsel for the petitioner, Mr.
Sidi Rumsung.
So, stop. This is an application under section 24 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, praying for transfer of first appeal number 1/2017. What is the name of the party?
Tangjung Village
Within,
Council.
within bracket, Sanjum Village Council and another versus Union of India and 4 others, bracket close, pending before the court of the, pending in the court of the principal district judge, Dimapur, Nagaland. Stop, huh? From Dimapur to?
Kohima.
From Dimapur to Kohima. Stop, huh? Stop, huh? The land council for the petitioner submits that by an order dated 6/8/2019, the learned presiding judge refused to take up the matter as he was what?
She was one of the counsel for the.
She
other
was one of
parties-
the counsel for the
Other party during the trial.
other parties during the trial. And by an order dated 27/10/2021, the presiding judge the present presiding judge also refused to take up the matter as the impugn order was passed by him. Stop, huh? It is also submitted that the matter is pending since
2000, we filed in 2017.
okay, since 2017, and pray for and 17, huh? Stop, huh? Considering the contention made in the petition and also upon hearing the parties. Stop. Let a notice of motion be issued. Let the notice be issued to the respondent, returnable by 4 weeks. Stop, huh? The petitioner shall take steps upon the respondent within.
The councils are present.
Oh, you're for?
For the Union of India,
Union
responded
of
1,
India,
2, and
okay.
3.
Okay, since Mr.
Deputy Honorable
Kind of standing counsel for the,
Lordship.
okay. Standing counsel for the Union of India has accepted notice on, Mr. So accepted notice on behalf of the Union. Union is respondent number?
1, 2, and 3.
Okay. Respondent number 1, 2, and 3. And then your.
4 and 5.
Okay. And Mr. Moaim Chen, Lana Senior Government Advocate, accepted notice on behalf of the respondent number 4 and 5, comma, no formal notice need be issued to the said respondents. Stop. However, requisite copies of the petitioner, a petition shall be furnished to the land councils for the parties. Land council appearing for the respondents within
2 days.
within 2 days. Stop. List this matter after 4 weeks. Okay.
For motion, item number 2.
May I please your lordship?
Yes, please.
This is an appeal against judgment and order dated 12/7/2023, passed by MSCT Dwayne Sang and MSC number 26 of 2019. So the MSCT has passed an order of 20,51,000 with an increase of 7.5 per annum to be paid within 30 days. So I'm aggrieved by this order, so I've only one ground of appeal. So the disability certificate which was issued by the medical board doing sound, which is only for 1 year, but the MSCT is assumed that it's permanent disability certificate. And as per that certificate, the compensation was granted.
It was brought to the notice of the court at the time of trial.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay. So what is this?
I for stay and then one is for continuation, 17 days continuation.
First, we'll have to take up the condonation delay. IA for delay condonation. We'll have to issue notice first.
My lord. My lord, there is delay of 17 days in filing of the case.
Okay. This is an application under section 5 of the Indian Limitation Act 1963, filed by the appellant, praying for condonation of delay of 17 days in filing the connected MSC appeal. Stop. Para hard Miss
Mua chua.
Mua Jungla, Land Council for the appellant. Stop. Issue notice upon the respondent returnable by 4 weeks. 4 weeks. Stop. The appellant shall take steps upon the respondent within
3 days.
3 days. It will be Sunday, Saturday, within 4 days, okay? Within 4 days by a registered post with AD. Stop. List the matter after 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Okay.
For motion, item numbers 3 and 4.
May I please, lordship?
Yes,
This
please.
I is for including the opposite party number 1 as respondent 6 in the main contempt petition, your lordship.
Okay.
In the on the last occasion, the counsel of the respondent number 2 has informed that respondent number 2 has retired and has been replaced by the opposite party number 1, who is the present incumbent Director General of Border Road Organization.
Okay. So, who retired? Respondent number?
Respondent number 2.
Respondent number 2 retired.
Yes, your
And
lordship.
in place of respondent number 2, who
The opposite party number 1.
opposite party number 1? Okay. Heard Miss and counsel for the petitioner. And also Miss,
For respondent number 1 and 2, Your Lordship, on behalf of B Chakravarti.
okay. For respondent number 1 on behalf of, appearing on behalf of, for respondent number 1 appearing on behalf of
B
B
Chakravarti.
Chakravarti. Land counsel for the respondent number 1.
Yes, Your
Okay,
Lordship.
stop, huh? This instant. IA, this is IA,
Yes, Your Lordship.
okay, IA number,
134.
okay, has been filed by the petitioner in contempt petition. What is the contempt petition number? 15,
15th of 2021.
15,
Yes, Your Lordship.
okay, 15 of 2021. Praying for implement of the respondent number 1, Mr. Sri Ajay.
Opposite party respondent number 1 to be.
Okay,
treated as
implement
respondent
of the opposite implement of Mr. Ajay, Sri Ajay Kumar within bracket.
Oh,
IAS.
Lordship, it's Raghu Srinivasan.
Not the J.
No.
Okay, Raghu.
Raghu Srinivasan, opposite party number 1, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Page
What is
2.
this LT lieutenant?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay,
In general.
implement of one Sri, one Lieutenant General Raghu Srivasan.
As respondent number 6 in the main contempt petition.
Okay, A is respondent number 6 in the
Main contempt petition.
main contempt petition number 15. Stop, huh? Stop, huh? The Land Council submits that the respondent number 2, who
Yes,
retired,
yes, Your Lordship.
respondent number
Rajiv Chaudhary.
Respondent number 2, Sri Rajiv Chaudhary, who was earlier arraigned as,
Director
one
General.
Sri Rajiv Chaudhary,
Yes,
who was earlier arraigned as respondent number 2,
yes, Your Lordship.
is retired,
Yes.
and in his place,
Your
the
Lordship, he will remain as respondent.
he is
number-
remain as a respondent, but then in his place, the present one has been
Yes,
transferred.
yes.
Okay,
Yes.
and in his place, the
General Raghu Srinivasan
Lieutenant General Raghu Srivasan has been posted
as Director General.
as Director General, Bodar Road Organization, Seema Sarak Bhavan, Ring Road, Delhi Cantonment. Staff. Heard. Heard Land Council for the. No. Just a minute. The Land Council for the petitioner further submits that the applicant through notice dated 12/10/2023 has informed the opposite party Sri Raghu, no?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay,
Raghu
Lieutenant
Srinivasan.
General Raghu, huh? Lieutenant General. The present incumbent, just say present incumbent, huh? Of the direction passed by this honorable court by judgment and order dated 17/11/2019 in WA number 419. However, the direction passed passed in the judgment in order that is 17/11/2019 in WA number 4, 2019, and order dated to 12/29/2020 in IA within bracket civil number 72, 2020 has not yet been complied, not been complied till date. Stop, para, considering the contention made in the petition and the submission made by the land council for the petitioner, the prayer is allowed. Let the name of Sri let the name of Lieutenant General Raghu Srivasan be implemented as respondent number 6. Okay. In the contempt petition number 15, 2021. Stop. With the above, this miscellaneous application is allowed and disposed of.
Registry may be allowed to, directed to do the needful.
Okay.
Including response.
And in the and in the main case.
Post title will not should.
And in the main case, in the main case, in view of the hard landing council, hard landing council board, in view of the order passed in the miscellaneous application, IA number 134, let the name of the Lieutenant General Raghu be implemented as respondent number 6.
Yes, yes, your lordship, respondent.
Respondent number 6
The post title, your lordship.
in the course title. Stop, course title, stop. The register, you do the needful.
Yes, the registry will be directed to do the needful, including respondent 6 in the post title.
Whether the miscellaneous application need to be filed for that,
No, your
the
lordship.
course title, changing course title, or it
Just
has to be inserted by,
Yes, your lordship, just the registry can just include the respondent number 6 in the post title.
okay. Is that allowed?
Yes, your lordship.
The page need not be, okay,
Lordship, let this matter be come up on 14 November.
okay.
Because my seniors from principal bench.
Let the registry shall do the needful, stop, The petitioner shall take fresh steps upon the newly implemented respondent,
Number 6.
number 6. Within,
2 days.
returnable by. You will take steps upon the respondent within 2 days.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, the notice is made returnable within how much? 3 weeks,
4 weeks.
4 weeks. Okay, stop. List the matter after 4 weeks. Okay.
Yes, your lord.
My apologies, my lord. Really there's confusion, my lord. I was waiting for item number 9 of the list. Actually, the list
Just a
has
minute,
changed now. It has become item by 11. So item number 11 was mentioned. So my learned friend has mentioned it takes 3 days, after 3 days. For withdrawal, my lord.
Item 11 was mentioned, yes.
My lord. I was there, but in my cause list, it was shown as item number 9, but recent cause list it is changed to item 11. So that caused a little confusion, my lord. So let it be after 3 weeks, my lord. My name may be recorded, my lord.
Item 11,
Yes, my lord. I am for respondents. And secondly, a date may fix, my lord, because I have to come from Gauhati. So if possible.
item, what order we have passed? Item 11, na?
3 weeks.
3 weeks, na?
3 weeks, my lord.
So you want the fixed date?
Fixed date, my lord.
So who mentioned earlier this?
The petitioner mentioned my
Petitioner.
lord.
Petitioner is present.
Yes, he went, my lord.
You have to inform. No, no.
Younger was not present, but junior, the junior has come.
So you have to inform.
No, I will make it, give him a call, man. I call, because I was waiting for this matter only.
Hmm.
So in my list, I've downloaded 2 days back. It was item number 9. So I thought it was item number 9. I didn't cross check now. This become item number 11.
Hmm.
That is a little confusion. I apologize.
Inform the petitioner.
Yes, my lord. I'm informing.
What is the name of the person who mentioned this earlier? Item 11. What we have written? Oh, achha. No. Could you just inform the
Sure.
land council for the petitioner now? So that the order is passed in presence of both the land councils? Okay.
For admission, item number 8.
Yes.
Lordship. And for the respondent, Lordship.
You're for the respondent.
Lordship.
Respondent number?
The sole respondent,
Okay, sole respondent.
Lordship.
And who is for the petitioner? Not present.
Not present. Lucino. In that way, the matter let it come after 2 weeks. Lordship.
None appears on behalf of the petitioner when the matter was called for. Our learned advocate, you are appearing on behalf of the government. Okay, learned PP, Mr.
Digimon.
Okay. Is is present. Stop. It seems the record reveals that the LCR has been received in this case. No. List this matter. After
After 2 weeks.
after 3 weeks. Okay.
For orders, item number 17.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, please.
Lordship, in this contempt petition, I'm appearing for the respondent number 1. And my colleague V. Shokri is appearing for respondent number 2 to 5. Now, Your Lordship, what happened was the respondent number 3 in this contempt petition, who is the chief engineer R&B, has retired from the service, and therefore the petitioner has filed an IA impleading the new incumbent.
Okay.
Now, Your Lordship, since it is in the outer column, it appears that notice upon the new incumbent may not have been completed, Your Lordship.
New incumbent has already been implemented.
Completed, Your Lordship, as respondent number
Okay.
6
Okay.
on the previous occasion. However, Your Lordship, when the matter was listed again on 28/8 and 12/10/2023, it was shown as service return service awaited.
Okay. You are for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Benison V. Shoaib. And also heard.
And Angami, Your Lordship.
Learned, and Angami.
Lordship.
Learned, you're, okay, this is for the respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship. For respondent number 1, my lord.
Okay. Appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1. And Mr. Sokri is not present.
No, Your Lordship, she is not present today, Your Lordship.
Okay. Stop, huh? The office note dated. No, thereafter also it is reflected. The land council for the petitioner submits that the service report on the respondent, upon the respondent are still awaited and prays for adjournment of the matter. For how much time?
Lordship, for
Adjournment for how much time it will take?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks, stop. Huh? In view of the above, the matter is adjourned. Stop. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Obliged, my lord. For orders, item number 18.
Lordship, even this matter, I am making a mention on behalf of V. Shokre, Your Lordship.
Lordship, this is a condemned matter.
Yes, sir.
This report passed the order on 19/5/2022 with a correction to consider case of the petitioner for payment of scale B within a period of 2 months. We are in November 2023, it's more than 1 year. No report has been placed whether the respondent authorities are complying to comply with the order, except saving time from time to time. Lordship.
So here also newly impleted.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, I think newly impleted respondent number 4.
Lordship, at the time of filing the contempt petition, Lordship, the respondent number 1 and 2 were the main respondent who should comply the court's order, Lordship. Contempt is already committed by respondent 1 and 2, Lordship.
Yes. So now they are no more here.
Yes, Lordship, new incumbent.
New incumbent. So new incumbent has to be given notice.
Lordship, on the last occasion, we have, as per this report order dated 29/9/23, we have taken steps on 3/10/23.
Have you taken steps upon the?
Lordship,
You have taken steps upon,
on then 3/23, on 3/10. On 3/10/23, I have taken steps. Our new
You have taken steps.
Lordship.
Return service still, still awaited, it appears. Return service still awaited. 3/10, okay. You are?
What is the
What is the Milan counsel for the petitioner? Stop. Mr. Angami.
Appears
And
on-
Angami.
Yes, Your Lordship, I am mentioning on behalf of V. Shokre.
Okay, appearing on behalf of Mr. V. Sokre.
Ms. V. Shokre, Your Lordship.
Okay, V. Sokre. Land counsel for the respondent number.
All the respondents, Your Lordship.
Okay, land counsel for the respondents. Stop, huh? The office note dated 5/10/2023. Sorry, just a minute, huh? The petitioner has taken a step upon the respondent, newly implemented respondent number 4. However, the office note dated 5/10/2023 reveals that the return service is still awaited. Stop. Huh? What do we do? You take fresh step or what? Since it is still awaited?
Lordship, it will be listed after one,
Okay.
1 week, Lordship.
In view of the above, list the matter after 2 weeks,
After 2 weeks, my lord.
after 2 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, my lord.
Lord, I informed him, my lord, but he said they have left. Because some wedding is going on with their one of our colleagues.
They have left on telephonically. Also, if you could obtain consent from the other side for fixing the matter,
Yes, my lord.
because they have only just mentioned for the, I think,
3 weeks for withdrawal.
3
my
weeks.
lord.
But
They
withdrawal,
mentioned it for withdrawal only, my lord.
withdrawal.
So I only paid.
So you are for respondent.
For iPhone respondents.
I think it's, if they withdraw, is good for you.
Yes, good,
Hmm.
but my lord, because I'm for the replacement department. my
You
lord.
have any objection to the
I don't
withdrawal
have
of the,
I don't have an objection, my lord.
and then
See,
in that
see,
case, let the matter come up after 3 weeks.
my lord, if a date is fixed, then I can come, my lord.
Hmm.
Because it needs some, it's a matter regarding the amendment of Finance Act 2022.
Hmm.
Issues are there regarding customs act, proper officer, not officer like that. So they're banking the case on the Supreme Court judgment of Canon India. That's why, my lord. I think
3 weeks, huh? So later on, huh? In the same, the later on, Land Council, the Land Advocate, Mr.
MK Boroman,
appearing on behalf of the respondent
respond,
number,
all the respondents, my lord.
okay. The respondents praise for fixing the matter on, after 3 weeks, when it comes,
4 December. Any video,
4 December,
4 December.
okay. 4 December, stop.
My lord.
He also undertakes to inform the other side about the fixing of the matter on 4 December. Stop. Accordingly, list this matter on 4 December.
I love it.
Okay. Hmm? Okay.
My date.